Shri Bhagavan Vacha. This is for you and me. Sarva Sambrahma Samshantyai Paramaya Phalaya Cha Brahma Vishranti Paryantaha Vicharostu Tavanagha. हे अनघ, हे निष्पाप प्रहलाद जी, सर्व संभ्रम संशांत्य ही, फॉर रिमूवल ऑफ ऑल द डाउट्स, ऑल द कंफ्यूजन्स, एंड परमाय फलाय च, एंड फॉर अटेनमेंट ऑफ द फुलफिलमेंट इन लाइफ, टू थिंग्स. One is for the removal of all the confusions, Brahma, delusions, and for attainment of fulfillment in life, Brahma Vishwaranti Paryanta, till you merge in the Absolute for good. Paryanta, Vicharostu Tavanaga. Inquiry, contemplation is the only best thing in life. See? He has not told, take my name, chant my name. No. He didn't say do puja. He didn't say do karma. No. Only vichar. But problem is, do we know what is the meaning of vichara and vikara? Vichara and vikara, both of them are vichar only. They are thoughts. But vikara are the default thoughts. And vichara are the contemplative thoughts. See? Now to understand this example I had given you earlier. When the cloth is dried and it is full of wrinkles, we don't like it. It looks ugly. So we take an iron and move on that, and all wrinkles are gone. At the moment the wrinkles go away, the beauty of the cloth surfaces. So the beauty has not come from outside. The wrinkles which are not existing, wrinkles is not an object. See, like a paperweight on the paper. No, wrinkles only appear, they are not there. When they are removed by the iron, the hidden beauty of the cloth surfaces. Thereafter, when we have to keep the cloth properly, the lungi for example, then we again fold it in such a manner, but then there is a crease. See, like the shirt has a crease here. Now crease is also a wrinkle. But what is the difference? The normal wrinkles were uncontrolled, and the crease is a controlled wrinkle. It is unidirectional, and it brings beauty in the cloth. Exactly the same manner. Default reactions, they are like the vikar. Kama, krodha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya. These are vikar. And contemplation, kastvam koham kutamayataha, kame janani kome tataha. See? Artham anartham bhavaya nityam nati tataha sukalesha satyam. Agre vanni prushte bhanu ratrau chubuka samarpita janu. Angam galitam palitam mundam dashana vihinam jatam tundam. Vruddho yati gruhitva dandam tadapi na munchati asha pindam. See? These kind of thinking which will help us withdraw from the wrong notions. So sarva sambrama shantaye. Sarva sambrama means all the wrong notions. Wrong notions we have about the world, wrong notions we have about ourselves, wrong notion we have about God, wrong notions we have about the spiritual practice. So for the removal of the thing, proper inquiry is necessary, not only worrying. See? Then paramaya phalaya cha, when wrong notions are removed without creating new notion. This is the most important aspect of Vedanta sadhana. Wrong notions are removed without creating new notions. Normally what happens? Earlier I used to eat non-veg, now I don't eat every day. Earlier I used to smoke, now I smoke only ganja. Earlier I used to drink every kind of drink, but now I take only desi, being Indian. No, no, not like that. One notion is removed without creating another notion. So, what is the one notion? One notion is I am the father, and therefore I am suffering, my son doesn't listen to me. Then remove this notion. Then you don't have to do anything. Only know father is an illusion, man is the reality. Therefore, whatever you have to do to your son as a father, do it, but don't carry the burden of the fatherhood on your head. This is vichar. See, normally we react. Don't react in life. And therefore, the principle I told is take care of mind. If we mind our mind, we have learned the secret of spiritual life. So, sarvasam brahmasam shantyaihi paramaya falaya cha brahma vishranti paryantaha vicharostu tavanagha. Till the last moment of your life, inquiry should be conducted about the truth, and every day a new aspect should be discovered. It is not a mechanical thing. What is mechanical? Your puja pothi is mechanical. There is no charm in that. See? Simply taking that. No, don't get lost in that. Anything which is kriya pradhan becomes mechanical. Anything which is knowledge oriented, it cannot become mechanical because you have to get involved. And thereby you start remaining more and more in the present. So when you just start thinking, every day new approach. See? And when the knowledge becomes firm, then like the Upanishad says, Deha bhimane galite vidnyate paramatmani yatra yatra manoyati tatra tatra samadhaya. Then in every event, in every place, in everything, you start discovering a divine message. Discovery of the divine message is yatra yatra manoyati tatra tatra samadhaya. Here the meaning of the word samadhi is Paramatma. Samyak adhi yate yasmin sa Paramatma. See? Yatra yatra manoyati tatra tatra samadhaya. Wherever the mind goes, there Bhagwan is experience. See? Then you don't have to search for the examples. They are natural. Everywhere you get it. Therefore, what is the blessing that Bhagwan Hari has given to Prahladji? This. This is for all of us. Sarvasam brahmasam shante paramaya falaya cha brahma vishranti paryanta vicharostu tavanaga. This is vichara is the most important. But we are unable to discriminate between vichar and vikar. We normally react. Reactions are vikar, default setting. For example, we see anything and we have a comment. See, that is vikar.